Hello guys, Cody Williams here again, and I know that we're at that time of year again. We have the World Cup coming up, so I'm gonna show you guys a really fun game that you can have the kids play so they don't distract you, so you can watch the game yourself. So we're gonna need just two 260s, one black 160, pick whatever colors you want for your teams or whichever one you wanna pop when you're done, doesn't matter. And we're gonna need one 5-inch round. So we'll start with our first 260, load up to about 5-6 fingers of a tail, the normal twisting amount, and we're gonna make a little triangle. So we're gonna start with an ear twist, so make a 1-inch bubble. Now when you ear twist the very beginning of a balloon, I know it sometimes can be a little confusing because there's no other balloon here to fold down and twist. What you're gonna do is you're gonna grab the knot itself, so not the nozzle, but the actual knot. If you can, grip some of the balloon itself, and your hand will simulate the other balloon that's missing. So you're gonna bring it down, bring that knot as close as you can to that twist itself. Get them close and secure. This finger is simulating the balloon that should be there. Lift it, pinch it, and twist it. Now the more you pinch it, the more secure it's gonna be, and the more it's gonna give itself that actual ear twist shape. Now we're gonna do about a 3 to 4 finger bubble. It can be any size you want, as long as it's the same size throughout. Make another ear twist. This time that balloon does exist. Bring it over, pull, pinch, and twist. You're gonna repeat this again. So same size. You can measure it down if you want, or use your fingers again, and do an ear twist. Now we're just one more time, so same size, and connect this twist to the very first ear twist. Now you want to send this so it comes down so this triangle stays flat. That's all you're going to do so far in this balloon. You can do the exact same thing again. It's another 260. So we'll go a little quicker because we already did this. So just ear twist in the beginning, 3 to 4 finger, ear twist, 3 to 4 finger, ear twist, and then another 3 to 4 finger connect back at the beginning. So now you have two of the same shape. From here, position them so you can see where they're gonna connect both on one side with one side that's open. So this one, I would say, put a hand and a thumb, and another hand, like so, grab it and twist it. It's however big you want the soccer goalpost to be, or football, sorry. Either way you want it to be. So if you want a hard game, make it smaller, an easy game, make it bigger. Connect that to one of the ear twists on the other side. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, because from here, you can position it, angle it, change it, however you want it to be to line it up. But you want to have two on one side and open on the other side. So as long as you're not crossing it over, it's fine. So do one the same size again. Line them up so make sure it's the same. Twist it in. And now we have to break off this excess. So one of the fun ways of doing this, hold it so that your pointer and thumb are on the side with the nozzle going, sorry, how do I word this? Hold it so the nozzle's going down and pinch it like so in your hand. Now you're gonna close the balloon shut. You're gonna seal it with your pointer and your thumb. When you do this, don't hold your thumb flat, lift your knuckle up and hold it like so. So I'm gonna hold it, seal it, my knuckle's kind of gonna up a little bit. This middle finger is gonna go in, it's gonna contact the pad of my thumb, and I'm gonna snap my fingers with my nail going in. It's like striking a match. Snap it, now that'll pop. There's always doing it quieter, but we're in a hurry, don't worry about it. And hold this tight still. When you let go of it, you'll still have a nozzle to tie with because you broke it low, and this ear twist will temporarily stop it. Go ahead and tie that off, and hide the knot right inside. Do the same thing on this side. And if you do it quieter by using two hands at once, like so. Tie this one again. And now you have a little soccer goalpost that works like so. Now we're gonna make the soccer shoes, or football shoes. My American is showing, sorry. So we're gonna take a 160, put up to about 5-6 fingers of a tail. We're gonna make 2 ear twists. So make a little bubble, followed by a little bubble. Grab the knot itself, pull it down, and twist these 2 bubbles together. If you slide the nozzle toward the top and secure it with your finger and twist these in opposite directions, you'll make 2 ear twists the same size at the same time. Do a loop twist big enough so you can put your finger inside. So kind of like so. Now take this balloon and wrap it around a couple more times for security. Break it however you like and tie it off. Now you'll make a second shoe with the excess of your balloon. You can either tie it and hold it on or just pop it and reinflate it, whichever is easier for you. So 2 more, exact same thing. So like the soccer post, go really fast. It's the exact thing we just did. Like so. Break it off and tie it. Now you have two little shoes you're gonna wear. For the last piece, you can either put sugar inside the balloon first or any kind of weight that you like, or you can leave it just as is. But you want to blow it up to about the size of a golf ball, if not smaller, so about here. Tie it really close to the balloon itself. So when I tie that knot, if I want to keep it nice and close, I'll grab it, hold it above it, pull it down. Now I know that it stayed really low. Trim it as close as you can, and you have a little football or soccer ball that you can draw on the little squares, take your time on it, or just leave it white. They'll know what it is. Now, if it's weighted or not, it'll still function. You put your shoes on your fingers, you have a set for each team. You have red versus blue or however, and you can actually play the game versus each other and battle, and you can keep them distracted while you yourself watch the real game. This has been Table Soccer. Thank you guys.